Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking for the most adorable ramekins for your next dinner party? We had the most yummy dessert ever served in these gorgeous, colorful ramekins. The colorfulness of the presentation really enhanced our anticipation to devour this dessert. It was a pistachio fondant secretly tucked in between a layer of chocolate goodness. We really appreciated the high quality of these porcelain ramekins. The fondant cooked very evenly and the dessert was a hit. I absolutely love all the colors. The blue, white, orange, mocha, gray, and green are earth toned and beautiful with everything. I love the little speckle pattern all throughout each of these ramekins. We have found the most unique ramekins. They are beautiful. They would be great for a gift. We love them, and that's just our point of view.